Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Say cheese with Uma. In this video, we are going to see how to stay motivated to eat healthy. Tips and tricks from a health coach for how to get and stay motivated to eat healthy. Let's start the video. First point, set small measurable goals that will help you get to your overall large goal. For instance, I will eat 5 servings of fruit and vegetables a day. Incorporate leafy green veggies into 3 meals a day. Drink at least 68 ounces of water daily. Keep a food and exercise journal. This is extremely helpful to track how much you are eating. Sometimes you don't realize how many small bites here and there add up. You can do a handwritten journal or do digital and log your food or fitness from the computer or your smartphone. Third, crowd processed junk food out of your diet by adding in nutritious whole foods. 4. Skip the pantry and head to the fridge. No one really keeps a lot of processed foods in their fridge because they are usually self-stable. When looking for an afternoon snack, I tend to stick more with something from the fridge. Non-fat Greek yogurt, fruit veggies with hummus, etc. Try new foods. Eating steamed broccoli and baked tofu every night can get old. Look for new healthy recipes online in cookbooks or magazines so you don't get bored with eating healthy. I know a good place for recipes. Team up with a friend and hold each other accountable for eating healthy. This is one more tip. Next step, eating something every 2 to 3 hours. This keeps your metabolism running and also makes sure that you don't get ravenous and you end up eating whatever is in sight when you get home from work. Keep nutritious foods on hand and ready to eat. Preparation is the key to eating healthy. Having fresh vegetables and fruits, lean protein, healthy fats and smart carbs each week is super helpful for staying on track. I like to make big batches of roasted veggies and brown rice or quinoa at the beginning of the week so I have healthy foods in the fridge ready to go for quick lunches. Last but not least, keep tempting foods that trigger you to overeat of the house. For me, this is cereal, packaged trail mix, granola and other packaged foods. If the tempting foods are already in your house because someone else bought them, I found that putting them away in a cabinet is helpful, out of sight and out of mind. Always bring a healthy snack with you when you leave the house for more than a couple of hours. Apple, bananas, fruit and nut bars, homemade trail mix and carrots are super portable, and healthy bars like Lara bar are always good in a pinch. Eat and enjoy your favorite foods in moderation. Deprivation tends to backfire, so if you really want a treat, then eat and enjoy it. When going out to eat, look at the menu for the restaurant online. Deciding beforehand what healthy option you are going to get can be helpful. So you are not tempted by unhealthy options once you are there. Don't let one setback keep you from working toward your goal. Don't get down on yourself if you slip up. Just make sure your next meal is a healthy one. Hopefully, this little list helps you give some ideas on how to stay motivated to eat healthy. Like I said, everyone has off days and may not eat healthy all the time, but it's what you do 80 to 90% of the time that counts. Let me know in the comment section what tips you use to stay motivated to eat healthy. And if you like this post, keep sharing with your friends and keep supporting me. Let's grow together. Thank you.